Namaskar. Yesterday we saw the star of Tiruvadra. Today we are going to see about the star of Punarvasu. This Punarvasu star is coming in two zodiacs, namely Gemini and Cancer. Next, in what manner the star people should perform the puja, as well as to which god they have to perform the puja. The star people, they have to do the puja to Krishna Bhagavan, because Punarvasu is controlled by the planet of Guru, and that Guru is controlled by Krishna Bhagavan. That Guru planet is controlled by Krishna Bhagavan. Generally, Krishna Bhagavan is called as Guru. That is the reason the star of Punarvasu people, they can pray to God Krishna Bhagavan, and they can get good benefit from Krishna Bhagavan prayer as well as puja. Okay, how to perform the puja to Krishna Bhagavan? As usual, take the photo of Krishna Bhagavan and clean it well, make a proper decoration and keep it in good place, as well as light the lamp by using either gingerly oil or pure ghee, and keep good water, clean water in one vessel. In another vessel, keep water. Along with that water, add little bit powder of sandal, because good quality of sandal is well liked by Krishna Bhagavan. As well as flour, we have to keep yellow color, good smell flour to Krishna Bhagavan. And as prasadam, we have to keep a banana. That is, 2 bananas must be kept in front of God Krishna Bhagavan. Now we have to start the puja. In what way the puja must be done by Punarvasu people? Take each and every yellow color good smell of flower and chant the slogam of Krishna Bhagavan, simple slogam only. The slogam is Om Krishna Bhagavane Namaha, Om Krishna Bhagavane Namaha, Om Krishna Bhagavane Namaha. Like that, minimum 16 times you have to say the slogam of Krishna Bhagavan, and keep the yellow color flower, good smell flower, under the feet of Krishna Bhagavan, and give 2 banana as prasadam to Krishna Bhagavan. And 16 times is compulsory in order to chant the sloka, because the Guru is coming under the number of 16. So 16 times. 16 times we have to chant the slogam of Krishna Bhagavan. Moreover, this Guru is called as in English Jupiter. Jupiter in each and every horoscope will dominate for 16 years. That is the reason for 16 times we have to make the prayer. We have to do the slogam in the form of prayer to God Krishna Bhagavan. And if you do the puja like this, definitely Punarvasu people can see upliftment in their life in legal manner, because for legal transactions, for all legal activities, Guru is the judge. So the Guru Bhagavan will provide, at the time of doing all this pujas in this manner, definitely Guru Bhagavan will bless Punarvasu people only in legal manner. always legal activity will be succeeded well. That is the reason Punarvasu people always they are doing prayer to God Krishna. So do this puja and you should, Punarvasu people should get a good blessing from God Krishna and have nice life. This is my wish to you all. As well as usual, I used to say that if you have an idea to consult your horoscope from me, please call to me for the number 9840773010 and get consultation. As well as if you like this video, please like it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. At the time of subscribing, the bell icon you can see nearby that icon, all option, press it. Immediately you will get the notification. What are all the videos I used to provide to you, everything, all videos will come and reach you immediately. Thank you very much.